What's up guys, Gravely86 here. It's been a while, but this is going to be a cold start video, first cold starts of the season. So here we go. Give this a choke. Back off. So that was the Toro. Burns a little oil now, but that's not a big deal. Alright, now for the weed whacker. So, choke. Give it like, I don't know, some primes, whatever. Until it gets the gas going through the line. Alright. So, point that at the exhaust. Now, I guess I can do the John Deere. Let me just set you guys down if I can take those covers off there. 1 second. So, these are the covers for the new Gravely's cab, which I haven't showed you guys, I don't think yet. I don't think I've shown you guys yet, but I'll show you in a minute. Sorry about this. Just gotta roll up one more and then I'll get the cold start. It's not too cold out, but figure I'd make it. Get the last one rolled up. Oh yeah, and the Fords. There's the cab. And the covers. So here we go. John Deere LX280. There we go. So, starts right up, that was really good. Now for the leaf blower. Choke. Primes. That doesn't run, gotta bring it to get fixed. Blew up pretty much. I guess I can give you a cold start on the bucket loader if you guys want. Good old diesel cold start. There's that. Give it some glow plugs so it starts up quick. So I got these glow plugs, they work a little better now. You'll see them warm up there. It takes about 30 seconds. It's an older machine. Sorry for the shakiness, but I have it zoomed in quite a bit if you can see it good. You should see it glowing soon because I can see it with my eyes, but the camera's not picking it up yet. Here, let me just move the camera closer. See me there? Yeah, there you go. Alright. So, what we are going to do is go ahead and start it up. Give it some... Oop, forgot to give it some throttle. I just don't want to set off the smoke alarms in the garage. And there you go. And this has that many hours. Make sure I turn the key off. Don't want the battery to go dead on me. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, rate, and comment. Video requests below.